Alright, now what we have here is a fresh out of the box Jag Arms PHX15 Crusader. One of the newer, hotter guns on the market. Joint effort between Jag Arms and VFC. So it is a VFC OE. Got some interesting features here, including an E&L CQB crane type stock, umbrella armory, slimline pistol grip, Troy style metal flip-ups, a Noveski KX5 flash hider / amplifier, and best of all, a 13-inch M-Lock CNC aluminum rail. This is all stock, like I said, just out of the box. Now we're gonna give it a rip on the target. So let's check it out. Let's see how it does. Testing is at 72 feet with Elite Force 0.25 gram premium BBs and a 7.4 volt LiPo battery. Go full auto. Let's see how she did. Alright, let's go see how this grouping is. Again, that was 0.25 gram BBs. Very windy day today. Bone stock PHX15 Crusader. Not too bad, especially considering I couldn't see down the sights because we don't have an M-Lock GoPro mount right now, so I had the GoPro camera mounted on the top rail. Couldn't really see down the sights, so that's pretty good grouping right there for a stock gun. They shoot about 380 FPS out of the box with 0.25s around 350. You can probably hear the wind howling here. Pretty good, man. It's a pretty good test right there.